Okay, here it is, December 28th. We had a lot of snow, but it got really mild and a lot of rain. And now look at the level of the river. The flats are all underwater. And it's almost up to the top of the bridge abutments over there, the old bridge abutments. But take a look at this. The water level is up to the fence on the other side of the river, which it very rarely gets to. I had to rescue the picnic table last night. I propped it up against the fence, but it looks like it's flipped over. It's still there, but I'm going to have to go down and check that out. And the end of the fence is up to the second rail in terms of the water. Zoom in here and take a look. Check that out. The water level is really high. Okay, we got a lot of water coming down the river here. It's all coming into the balloon field. I'll pan around. I'll just show you how it's coming right in like a river, right across the balloon field. There's Brian scanning in the water. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's flowing right into the balloon field, right below the house. Whole river. There's Nancy's sleigh over there. There's the house up there. I'll just show you down by my feet here in a second. This is right in the balloon field. Look at that. Unreal, eh? Never seen this before. A lot of water coming through here.